how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, when I'm going to show you how you can get iOS 26 beta 4. The beta 4 has already released today, couple of hours ago. So let's get it and let's see if any changes there or not. So here, first thing first, we have to go to the setting inside. In setting, we have to go to software. You see software update available. If you see here, it's fine. If you don't see, you have to go to general. In general, you can go software update here. So I have here directly beta 4 version available for me. In case if you don't have iOS 26.3 or second beta, first beta, and if you don't see any of these beta in your phone, so let's go do some procedure. You have to open any browser. You have to go to Safari. Go inside Safari. Type here Apple developers. Here. The first one you see iOS app developers. Not that one, that is ads. Here, this one. Apple developers. Go inside. In developers, you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here. You see account option. Click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement. You can read if you want. Hit yes here. Hit agree. Customize experience and all that. Get started. Skip and finish. I finish all the project. Later you can do an email and all that things. So this is Apple developer is activated. Now we'll go to the setting again and we refresh. After refreshing, immediately you see beta update is on here. Hit this one. You can update iOS 26 beta version or other beta you can try as well. So you have to click this one and go back. So this is iOS 26 beta 4, 5.34 gigabytes of software. We hit update now, this one, to put your passcode. Update requested. Depend on your internet velocity, it will take time. We come to here, this screen is saying preparing update. We have to wait a little bit more. Here we go guys. After restarting couple of time, my phone comes to this screen, says hello in different languages. So let's see from the beginning what we have. More or less I see some lagging guys at the first time you see here. So I go here inside, have to put my passcodes. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 26 beta 4 version. I hit continue. I hit agree and continue all the process. Few more things and we are good to go. Hit continue here. The voice, if you want to decide, I go back. Set up later for Siri. If you want to, you can do now. So welcome one more time. Let's see, get started. Wow. Is look almost the same here. No big differences. Let's see the lock screen. Put here. Little bit more sharper. I would say that. If you see the beta version, the difference, previously it was G at the ending, that is beta 3. Now we have I at the ending. Another important change you can see in wallpaper. If I put a new wallpaper, here we go. I hit add new one. If I add this iOS 26 new wallpaper, you see the light of this one will change. Before you didn't have, so now it will change according to the day and night and different color. It can leave you dark option as well. Beautiful. One of the new feature you can have in beta 4, if somebody call you from unknown number, a spam call, Siri will automatically answer and ask the person what is the purpose of the calling. Very good. Or Siri can stay silent. You can activate what you want to do. For this, you have to go to setting. In setting, you have to find phone option. So here we come to phone. Go inside the phone. Here you can see the first option. You can see never respond to unknown phone. The second one, ask reason for calling. So Siri will ask why the caller is calling you, and Siri will give you a notification about the purpose of the call. And the last one is silent. Don't do anything about it. Leave it as it is. It will ring and will cut. So this is one of the picture. And when you move, you see behind how the finishing is changing with the color. So the lock skin, how they look. Let's move. You see how this one side by side, you can see how they are moving. Obviously in beta 4 immediately you can see is more clear. If you see at the edges here, it's become more darker, but here the watch is more clear to read. Look at here how it was, how it's going inside, more blurry effect. Now how it is, less blurry, more readable. You can read more. So let's open the camera option. I hit here. So you see something new camera design. It says, I see something beautiful down here. Style of photo. You can change different style of photo over the camera. You see how it is. Before I put here photo, I put style. It was little bit differ. You can see side by side the styles. I think there are more styles available. You see how many of them? Much more. Here it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 styles, and now 35 tone or style is available. And you see at the top also says color. Many information is written at the top. Can see how it is 35 tone of color, can change many ways. So in camera we have a big change for sure. After that, if we go to apps drawer, if we come to apps drawer, let's see the velocity. This is iPhone 15 Plus version. It's fast, and this is 16 Pro Max. So processor would have something to do with that. But let's see here. So this is the way you can have beta 4 version of iOS 26 in your iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.